Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MicroVisionChain token. Ticker symbol is SPACE. This token just got listed yesterday on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, MVC for short, but the full name of the token is MicroVisionChain, ticker symbol SPACE. This token just got listed July 14th on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SPACE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the token is got listed yesterday, so it's available now. Now, this token is on their own blockchain, so technically it is a coin. You can find their block explorer at scan.microvisionchain.com. Obviously, it's on its own chain because chain is right in the name. Now, it says MVC is a UTXO Model Layer 1 smart contract public blockchain with unlimited potential. It is a revolutionary blockchain solution built to solve Bitcoin's congestion issue. MVC achieves unparalleled transaction speed, exponential scalability, and high concurrency, extremely low fees, while maintains decentralization combined with the cross-chain decentralization identity DID solution. MVC will become an ideal sidechain to Bitcoin, unlocking the full potential of Bitcoin for daily transactions and provide Bitcoin virtual machine enabling the development of massive Web3 applications. So there is a total supply of 21 million SPACE coins. So they have a technical document that you could review. They have one that's looks like it's in an Asian language. I'm not sure which one, maybe Chinese. I have no idea. And then they have the English version on here as well. The technical white papers for blockchains are very lengthy. I assume this is going to be a huge amount of pages in very tiny print. And yeah, 27 pages, tiny print, just like I thought. Now, you can also find information regarding the token on their webpage there. So it says you can explore the technical document. It says explore the concept, technical details, and incentive mechanisms of MVC. By reading the technical documentation, you will understand how MVC scales and becomes the #1 blockchain for the Web3 era. Now, they also have socials. They have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, they have a Discord. You can check all those out. As always, I put the Twitter up in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find the token or coin that I'm talking about. They have the blue verified checkmark at MVC Global on Twitter. It says the blockchain for Web3, MVC equals Bitcoin plus smart contract plus DID plus unlimited scaling. And then they have links on their Twitter, as you can see, to the Discord first and then the Telegram. They also have the Gitbook there that will take you to the MVC DAO. So that is that implies that you will have, voting rights for being a token holder or a coin holder, however you want to put it. And you can vote on proposals in which direction the project goes, that type of thing. That's what DAO means, decentralized autonomous organization. 10,900 Twitter followers, so they're doing pretty well on there, and 435 tweets. So they are very active on their socials. Now, if you go to the mvcdao.gitbook.io, that's a lot easier to navigate than the 27-page white paper. It's basically kind of like a document where you can click on each different setting, or each different heading, I should say. Tokenomics are on here. So they have proof of work mining. You can go over that. You can go over how the space coin is distributed, vesting period, stakeholder economic, POB mechanism. MVC learning section is on here, initial contribution, no sale agreement. Then they have a whole section on the DAO that you can review as well. So the constitution of the MVC DAO, guidelines, governance concept, MVC DAO glossary comprehension check, transparency report, how to join the DAO. All those things are on here. Proposal records, so they keep records of all the proposals that the community has put forth. You can check out all those. Proposals examples, in case you want to put one forth, you can check out the examples. And they have rules and policies, all that type of stuff around here as well. Now, besides that, the new public blockchain, it says MVC's ultimate ambition is to become the world's largest public blockchain for Web3, serving individuals and communities across the globe. To achieve this, MVC must not be affiliated with any commercial organization or institution, but rather belong to all of humanity, with early governance carried out through decentralization of the DAO. Now, MVC is an infinite and expansive new world with exceptional natural conditions capable of accommodating countless residents. As the initiator of the DAO, MVC Labs was fortunate to discover the new world and lay the necessary infrastructure. However, to build the future Web3 world on it, we need not only powerful miners to provide hash rate to protect this land, but also a multitude of builders to construct roads, water, electricity, and other basic facilities. We also need skyscraper-like projects with numerous business entities to attract a larger user base to this vast new world. This requires a collective effort and a collaboration among builders, entrepreneurs, and developers. The MVC DAO is our solution to this change. We aim to create a decentralized platform where builders worldwide can come together to contribute their expertise and resources to build the future of Web3. With the MVC DAO, we can create a community-driven project that prioritizes innovation, collaboration, and decentralized decision-making to realize our shared vision for a better future. Together, we can build a new world for Web3 that belongs to all of us. Before we introduce the DAO, it is crucial to understand why we established MVC. So for high-performance Layer 1 smart contracts with low transaction fees, built-in DID solutions that facilitate seamless data interoperability for Web3 applications, scalability to support tens of millions of users with high concurrency, and a fee model that reduces transaction fees as the user base grows, and lastly, a decentralized and secure architecture similar to Bitcoin. And you can read more about this in depth on their documents at mvcdao.gitbook.io, or you can check out their full 27-page white paper or their webpage, their socials, and you can find this coin newly listed on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.